Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I got some comment from the Microsoft community and one user has reported the issue. A random 100% SSD disk spike freeze computer for 15 to 30 seconds. So in this video I will show you its root cause and its resolution on your Windows 11 or 10. So this issue is basically normal on your computer when some of the services are running on your system. So let me show you what those services are. First of all, open your task manager and open your the processes and simply click on disk here. And you need to observe that when which task is taking 105% spike on your SSD or system. Simply you can kill that task and see if that is able to fix the issue or not. But if the SSD is suddenly going 100% and stucking for as 15 to 30 seconds as that user has reported the issue, so in that case you have to check your system hard drive test. Simply run it as admin and check here the command chkdsk and press the enter key. Once you press here the enter key, it will go it will take some time and will go to 5 stages. And once this is done, you need to look for any bad sector on your SSD or your hard drive. If any bad sector is found on your hard drive or SSD, you can run this command to fix those. Now it's done. Let me show you its result. You need to basically look for this option 0 KB in bad sector. Make sure you have only 0 KB in bad sector. If you have bad sector in your SSD, that means that there is some maybe the hardware issue or the software issue on your hard drive, and you open the run as admin command and type this command chkdsk space slash f space slash r, and once you enter, press here y and press here enter, and you need to restart your system now. And this will take around 2 to 3 hours depending on your, if you are using the SSD, that will take 1 to 2 hours, but if you are using the hard drive and lot of data inside that, it might take 3 to 4 hours. But this will fix the bad sector issues and indexing issues on your hard drive. So this is the first solution to fix the issue. If this is also unable to fix your issue, you can look for your system diagnostic test. How to do the system diagnostic test in Dell or the any other laptop? Let me show you. Hardware diagnostic test. As you can see here, simply you need to open your F2 or F2 setting, F12 or F2 setting before Windows loads, and you should able to get the hardware diagnostic test, and you can include the SSD test on that time. If any bad sector and any red error you have found, that simply you need to replace your hard drive. But if you are not able to run the hardware diagnostic test on your computer, somehow you can run the software diagnostic test as well on your system. Type here hard drive health check tool, simply, and you need to look for, this is a trusted, I use SD Sentinel, and once you see this, you can choose the option to download here. Now download hard drive Sentinel, download limited trial. So you can look that option, trial of free version. Simply download it, and once it is downloaded, running, we can open services as admin. And in the hard drive test, you should able to fix the issue with just press S on your keyboard and look for sysmain, and make a double click on that, disable the service, stop it, apply, and OK. I have already done the sysmain service is disabled, and restart your Windows after that. Now this zip is downloaded on my computer, and right click, extract all. Now this is setup.exe, just run it. Simply launch it, and I recommend you to close all the application which are opened on your system, like these. Close all of them. Now it will show you the result of your hard drive. As you can see, performance is excellent, health is excellent, and you can also repeat the test here. Okay, so this will show you all the details here. And there is no problem found on my SSD. You can move over to data and storage, alerts, smart. So this will show you all the results. Temperature is also normal showing up here. If it is showing red here, that means that there is some heat issue on your computer, and you may have to replace your hard drive or SSD as well on your computer. Okay, so I hope guys, after watching this video, you should able to find out the root cause of SSD is randomly freezing issues is on your computer. I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.